Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of RoRa First. Today we are going to do this exercise number 2. So yeah, into my screen. Sorry. So this is the 3D model of some symmetrical part, and yeah, we will do this tutorial in Fusion 360. This is the interface of Fusion 360, and yeah, let's make a rectangle of 50 by 110, which has a height of 10 mm. 50, 110. Okay, let's choose a sketch, create a sketch. Okay, let's choose a sketch and choose this top plane. R for rectangle, press R, or you can go by here. I think I will choose central rectangle for it. Let's say the breadth has 110 according to the drawing, and this width has 50 mm. Okay, and E for extrude, it has a height of 10 mm, 1010. Okay, so our model is like this. This part is done, and let's go from here. Okay, from the base it has a height of 60 mm, 60 length, and the breadth or width is 15 mm, 60 by 15. Okay, let's select this plane, create sketch, L for line. From here it's 15 mm and a perpendicular line. Okay, so this is 10 mm, so we have to make a height up to 50 mm, so altogether it's a 60. This is a 60 mm. This part is also done. Similarly, we can copy the style from here. Okay, create a sketch, L for line and 15. Okay, E for extrude, and height same height. You can press here to make 50 or directly press on the keyboard. So yeah, from here 10 mm and the radius is 15. So from here to the center 15, 10 plus 15, 25. I guess let's make this circle here from here by sketching in this plane. 10 plus 15, sorry, it's a 25. 10 plus 15 is 25. Okay, let's make a circle, C for circle, which has a radius of 15 mm. Oh sorry, it's a diameter. Yeah, diameter is 50 mm. And E for extrude, select this profile and go to the negative direction, and it will cut the solid part. Okay, this operation is cut. Okay, yeah, so this one all done. Let's make this cylindrical part here. I think the distance between from this corner to the center is not given, so let's make it symmetrical. The bigger circle has a radius of 18 and the smaller has a radius of 20. Height is 40. Okay, let's select this plane, C for circle, 18 into 2, radius into 2, diameter, and inner diameter is 20. Okay, and select this plane, and which has a height of 40. Okay, okay, this is our 3D model, guys. We have completed this exercise number 2, and yeah, I will be teaching you more exercise in further coming days, so stay tuned. Thank you.